Cash flow forecasting is one of the most powerful tools for managing your business's finances. It helps you predict when money will come in and go out, so you can make smarter decisions and avoid cash shortages. So let's explore 2 best practices that will strengthen your forecasting. First, use a rolling forecast for an ongoing updated view of your cash flow. Instead of creating a static annual forecast, a rolling forecast updates regularly, typically monthly or quarterly, and always looks ahead by the same period, like 12 months. This approach keeps your financial picture current and helps you spot trends early. Second, include different scenarios to prepare for uncertainties. Create at least 3 versions of your forecast: a best case, most likely, and worst case. What happens if a major client pays late? What if sales exceed expectations? So by planning for multiple outcomes, you're better prepared to handle whatever comes your way. And this scenario planning helps you identify potential cash crunches before they happen and gives you time to take action. Strong cash flow forecasting is essential for business success. By updating your forecast regularly using a rolling approach and planning for different scenarios, you'll gain the financial clarity you need to make confident decisions and keep your business on solid ground. Looking for more small business finance tips? Subscribe to our channel today.